From AAAFx, this is Chris taking a look at Ethereum. And here I am revisiting it. You can see the last time I did analysis, I haven't touched the chart since then. I was hoping for a little bit of a pullback to this area. We obviously have not gotten that. So now, assuming that this would be a short-term top, where could we go? Well, I think it would make sense that you need to look at 3,000 as value. That being said, there is a certain amount of chatter out there that maybe we see an Ethereum ETF. I don't know about that, but it's certainly not something that's going to happen overnight. So with that, let's go ahead and set up a few parameters here. So 3,500, I think, makes sense as resistance. From a round number standpoint, you can also see that historically it has mattered. I'll go ahead and drop this down to 2,500, just kind of sort things out. You can see that there's probably a zone right there. And 3,000, of course, is the 38.2% fib. It's also a large round number. Sooner or later, we are going to pull back, especially considering, and this is the weekly chart I'm looking at now, but especially considering that this is all Bitcoin driven. So if Bitcoin retraces, Ethereum most certainly will. It doesn't mean you short it. What it means is you look for potential values. You can see a lot of volatility on Thursday, even more on Wednesday. It does look like we are getting a little exhausted. This is a good thing. So I would wait. You might be able to get about a $400 discount here, and that certainly is something worth paying attention to. If we break out above 3,500, then it's just more of a FOMO melt up. And at that point, you could be looking at 4,000-ish right in this area as a target. I think that's a bit much, but full disclosure, I thought a lot of this was a bit much. So there you go. Keep in mind, this is not a market you can chase. You have to be patient. If you do chase it, you have to do so very incrementally. You have to be able to take a $200 hit right away. You just don't know. It's a very dangerous market to be in, unless, of course, you're already in it and got in down here.